Introduce highlight features or overview summary of YANLIFY Pool Skimmer Net. There are features include: universal size. Our pool skimmer is ideal for daily pool cleaning, featuring a 16x 10.8 inches flat net. Large enough to capture a good amount of debris in one sweep. Fits most standard pool poles, pole not included. Ultrafine mesh. Our pool net features fine, tightly woven mesh designed to catch small leaves, dirt, and floating debris with ease. Helps prevent tiny particles from slipping through, making each cleaning more thorough and efficient. Heavy-duty frame. Built with a reinforced, heavy-duty frame, this pool skimmer net is made to last through multiple swimming seasons. Designed to withstand daily pool cleaning without bending, twisting, or breaking. Helps save time and replacement costs with dependable long-term durability. Wide application. Our pool net skimmer easily scoops up leaves, insects, and floating debris from above ground and in-ground pools. Also suitable for spas, hot tubs, fountains, and ponds. Gentle on pool surfaces, helping keep your water clean and inviting. Easy connection and support. Designed with a large white safety button to help prevent finger pinching when attaching or removing the pole. Our pool nets for cleaning offer safe and convenient operation. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.